sources out there, right? So tell me a little bit more about prelims. How would you prepare for that?
Right. So I think the most important thing for prelims is practice. So many
Hmm.
people know that they have to take mock tests for prelims, but somehow do not end up taking many or taking as many as they plan. So for me, I always used to do two test series. So that's 70 tests in total. Each test series generally has 35 tests.
Hmm.
And I used to give 2 months, just 2 months time before actual prelims exam. And that's it. I would never think about prelims in the rest of the year. Only that
Okay.
2 months, but I give my full time for prelims that year.
Got it. Yeah.
First is the importance of test series, and second is going through the basic textbooks. So I went through all the textbooks and I made basic notes from those textbooks. And once I made those textbooks, it's just revising that notes again and
Hmm.
again.
Hmm.
And I'm not much on monthlies or compilations and etc. I just read one newspaper on a daily basis, and I
Okay.
have chosen to stay away from monthly magazines or compilations because they are very overwhelming and they tend to burden us unnecessarily.
Hmm. Hmm.
What we actually get out of it is very low, in my opinion. If
True.
you're regularly following a newspaper and if you find something useful or important from the newspaper, I note it down in
Hmm.
the book and then that's it. So
Hmm.
these three things I feel are important, especially the practice. So 80% of your time should be given to writing tests and revising those tests.
Hmm.
So I have a thumb rule that any prelims test that I take has to be revised thrice before the actual exam. So I
Okay.
had a schedule for every test. When will I attempt the test? When will I revise it the first time? When will I revise it the second time? When will I revise it the third time? And
Hmm.
finally, I just write on a sheet of paper if there's anything from that paper that I still can't, remember or which I feel is important that I should revise right before the exam. So
Hmm. Hmm.
everything I put it down on an Excel sheet, and then so that's how. So practice and revising those papers once you're done with the basics is what I feel is enough, rather
Yeah.
than going around compilations or monthly max.